Uy, ang bilis mag-drive. Hello friends! It's our last day in Hong Kong and I'm so excited kasi meron tayong lipstick making class and magtutour tayo sa city through a double-decker bus mamaya. Let's go! Sulitin natin ang araw na to kasi last day na. Okay, so bumaba ako sa Causeway Bay Station. Exit A. Grabe! Nagulat ako kasi parang city center pala to or something. Gulat ako kasi ang daming buildings na magkakatabi and mga bilihan. So, hinahanap ko ngayon yung Soundwell Plaza kasi doon yung sa lipstick. Nakita ko na agad. Actually, across the street lang pala siya. Ayun yung building, yung may 38. Yun. Galing kasi paglabas ng Causeway Bay, exit A, yun na siya. Yan. Actually, ni-research ko talaga kung saang exit lalabas. Kasi ang daming beses na medyo napalayo ako kasi maling exit yung dinaanan ko. Sabi ko na nga ba akala ko kanina, ginajoke ko pa na Blackpink to. Blackpink pala talaga. Pero game. Blackpink the game. Look, ayan o. Blackpink in my area. Pasok muna tayo sa mga stores. Actually, ano ba itong pinasok ko? Crawford Lane. Yeah, Crawford Lane. Para maghanap tayo ng kainan. Kumain muna tayo bago tayo mag-lipstick making. Kasi 5:30 PM pa yon and it's currently just 4 PM. Let's go. I am excited to eat. Nakakatawa. As a rice girly, Japanese ang in-order ko kasi yun lang yung may rice. Ayan. Japanese food saves the day talaga palagi, no? I ordered, hindi ko alam, sorry ko na tawag dito, pero shrimp na may egg and may tofu. Nakakatawa. Kasi, ito nga yung in-order ko, diba? Pero habang nag-iintay ako, akala ko katsudon yung in-order ko. Nawala sa isip ko. But anyway, gutom na talaga ako, so let's eat! Yan, so Lane Crawford pala yung pinasukan natin. Yan. Ito naman ay Times Square. Wow! Grabe. Ang laki nitong mall na to, nagulat ako. I'm glad napunta ako dito. I'm glad this time around namasyal talaga ako sa Hong Kong and hindi yung mga alam ko lang yung pinuntahan ko. Tara at mag-coffee and dessert. Friends, rin yung in-order ko. Parang roast, iced roast latte. As in roast. Lasa siyang roast. May roast talaga. Tapos, Christmas tree cake. So cute. Yay! Gusto ko lang i-capture yung moment na to. Ang ganda. The best coffee I've tasted in Hong Kong. As in, kuha niya yung tapang na gusto ko. Okay, so we're going sa 19th floor of this building. So here it is, Lip Lab. Wow! Yun na siya. Dami niyang lipsticks na naka-jar. What should I do first? Wash my hands? Okay. excited ako. Yep. Wow.
Yeah, so we will choose the texture first.
Okay,
And then
texture.
You can pick your own color.
Okay, choose the texture first.
Yeah, you can try first. Okay, let's one by one. Okay, the first one is lip balm.
What's that? Lip balm.
balm.
Okay.
And then the
Pwedeng
sec-
mamili kong lip balm.
And then the second one is sheer.
Sheer.
Sheer. This still a little bit thin.
Yeah.
This is a more moisturizing texture. But the second one, the sheer one, we will see more colors. And then the first one is buttercream.
Cream.
So the cream one. This is a high coverage.
Uh-huh.
And then the last one is matte one.
Matte.
Yes.
Oh.
So you like more shiny effect, you can choose
Okay.
first or the second.
I like the cream one.
Cream one, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yay. Excited.
Travel in Hong Kong or live in Hong Kong?
Huh?
Is it travel in Hong Kong? Or live
Yeah, I traveled from the Philippines.
in Hong Kong?
What's that?
Yeah, you can pick your colors on these
Color.
85 choices that we can try on your head.
Okay. I want something like this, natural.
Rosy, like rosy.
Yeah. What's that?
I call it is rosy color.
Rosy color. Okay. Yay. Oh, nice. Nice, nice.
Or more brightening or more darkness. You can try more to compare.
Something that's lighter, but
Lighter.
something that's kind of the same but lighter. Do you have it? Can I see?
I think this.
Or yeah. That doesn't suit my
bright.
skin tone. Yeah, it's too bright. Maybe.
Maybe that's one.
No. How about? I'm thinking of this
This
too.
This two.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, we can try.
Oh, there's glitter.
All colors we can add the glitter in.
We can add glitter.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, all colors. Though we can add glitter. I'm so excited. I think I like the first one.
First one?
Yeah.
For ladies only.
What's that?
This is your base.
Base.
Yeah, different.
The cream base.
Yeah, the cream base.
Pwede daw mamili ng amoy ng lipstick. I'm so happy.
That's it.
Oh, wow. So, ito daw yung gagawin natin.
1.6. The white toner
Ingredients.
And then jojoba is for more moisturizing.
Alright.
Each 2 drops. And the SPF is just a 4 drops.
Okay.
And this 2 is for deep size moisturizing. Each 2 drops.
I want moisturizing.
Yeah, sure, you can add all. Is also is okay.
Again?
It can add all these 5 inside.
Ah,
It's okay.
really?
Yeah.
Okay. So, 3 drops each?
Yeah, each 3 drops, and then next one 4 drops, and then this one each 2 drops.
Okay. 3, 4, 2, 2.
Yeah, maybe you
2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
2, 3, 4. Alright, thank you. Okay, so meron daw moisturizing. Actually, apat na to up moisturizing, and then this one is SPF. Can I put all of them?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
What do you mean? 1,
Yeah, one drop.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoop. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, so pretty.
You can smell the sample.
Oh! Okay. Ayan na, ang scents na. Scents. Oh my God! So happy. Orange summer. Oh, orange summer. Raspberry garden. Amoy pambata na laruan. Berry vanilla. Mabango to. Wait. Tabi natin yung mabango. Apple green. Okay lang. Hindi pala. Sorry. Berry vanilla is not good. Okay. Hola cola. Ay, okay. Amoy niya. Amoy niya. Amoy. Hindi ko maintindihan yung amoy. Okay. Cucumber chill. Smells like cucumber. And then peach fancy. Parang ito yata yung pinakagusto ko. Peach fancy. And then rose valentine. No. Amoy chimchamsu pa yun. Amoy lumang chinchansu. Ano eh? Amoy lumang cream. Okay. Sige. Peach fancy. Okay, this peach fancy.
Peach fancy, okay.
Peach fancy. One more. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And then make some more gently. Around 20 seconds. Slowly and gently.
Gently. Okay. Kailangan daw gentle tayo. Ang bango. Like this?
Yep.
Oh, mainit. Mainit siya, guys. So, ayan. Yung mga kulay niya. Mukha silang crayons. Feeling ko pwede ka rin mag-mix ng gusto mong kulay. Pero para, alam mo yan, para safe, di na ako nag-mix. Baka kung ano pa yung lumabas. Ang fun, kasi gusto ko yung mga nagbubook ako ng experiences more than buying things. Alam mo yun. O diba, kasi pag-experience, masishare ko pa sa inyo yung experience natin. Packaging!
Yeah, the Halo packaging is this engraved this special Hong Kong limited case for you. And then normally we will the plain one.
This is normal.
Yeah, this is a normally.
Okay.
Okay, and then the engraving, if you're choosing it normally, it's just a plain one. It
Alright.
will be engraved outside. It will be like this. Okay,
Yep.
if you're choosing the plain one, the design one will be engraved inside.
Inside.
here.
Alright,
Yes.
alright.
So this is a free upgrade, and then you can choose our other case. Pay more $60. You can choose
60.
it.
Alright.
Does it include the engraving? And
Alright.
then you can write down your.
Oh, ang ganda. Shocks.
You can write down your name or other message in this board, and then choosing the favorite forms. We will.
What's this?
The form?
Font.
Yeah, the forms.
Yeah.
Okay, we will. Yeah, we will do the reviews, and then you will engrave after the engrave. After the engrave, we will review. Yeah, review the design.
Yeah. Alright, I get it. Thank you. Oh, syempre. Ito daw yung mga design na pwede. So, ito yung kasama sa voucher na free. So, may Hong Kong. To, I don't even, ayan. Yan yung Hong Kong design. Tapos may i-engrave daw sa loob yung gusto mong ilagay. So, ito yung normal nila. Normal packaging na may engrave din. And then this, mag-add ka ng 60 Hong Kong dollars kung gusto mo yung any of these designs. Pero actually, syempre, ang gusto natin, etong Hong Kong, ganda. Diba? As a memorabilia ng Hong Kong trip natin. Tapos, dito daw sa loob i-engrave yung pangalan. Or kung anong gusto mo ilagay. Okay. So, I'm going to write here and choose a font, right?
Yes.
Okay. Kasi, memory to ng trip natin. Can I add a heart?
Yeah, sure.
Here?
Yep.
I will add the heart here. Excited ako. I'm so happy. Yeah! Ito yung pinili natin. Tapos, i-engrave niya yung Bon Voyage sa loob. Grabe, super kilig ako sa experience na to. Kinikilig ako. Kanina pa. Wow! Amazing! Ganda! Yan. So, pwede daw gawan ulit ng isa. Pero sa simple packaging lang. Kasi dalawa yung lipstick na magagawa natin. Oh, it's a freeze plate. So, pag pinatong dyan, lalamig pala. Oh.
Ready.
Ayan, ready. Yay! Yan. Nag-add ako ng isa pa. Kasi actually option naman siya. 120 Hong Kong dollars. Para, yan, yung isa gagawin ko souvenir, yung isa gagamitin ko. Oh, ito na. Next. Oh, lalagay na ni ate girl. Sa lalagyan.
Okay, first of all, you press
The first one?
Yeah, you press.
Ooh! OMG. Katawa.
Do you want a shimmer?
Shimmer? Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay, the press. Press the
Grabe, very ano to ah. Very hands-on experience. Patingin?
Like to.
Sabi ko sa kanya, patingin.
Or-
Tagalog.
Or finish this one too.
Yeah, finish first. Ah, may glitter machine sila para may glitter sa labas, as a design. Oop. Yes. Okay,
Also need the glitter.
glitter. Oop. Yes. Nice. Cute ni ate girl. Bait pa niya, oh. Thank you. Tiga isa. Tignan natin.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. So, ito siya. Ang cute niya. Meron siyang mga ano. Wait, paano ko ba papakita sa inyo to? Dapat may ilaw. Maganda ilaw. Ayan. See? And then, yung pina-engrave ko. Asan ba? Wait. So, it has bonbon. And then the other one, Hong Kong. Tapos, Bon Voyage. Yes, what a great experience. Very nice. Oh, they opened daw in 2019. So, pag pumunta kayo sa Hong Kong, it's a very good experience. And Eugene is very kind. Sobrang enjoy. overall, it's a good experience kasi talagang hands-on yung gagawin yung lipstick. You're involved in every step of the process. Involved ka in every step of the process and tutulungan ka ng staff. Yan, for me, it's Eugene and she's so kind. Ayan, ngayon inaantay natin yung sightseeing tour bus. Nakakatuwa kasi natatawa ako kasi nahanap ko yung mga lugar, buti na lang. Minsan medyo mahirap hanapin and kailangan din talagang tignan mo yung mga direction or i-google mo. Pero I'm glad nahanap ko to kasi ito nga yung waiting area. Dito ako sa likod. Yeah! OMG! Excited na naman ako. Dito tayo sa pinakalikod ng bus. Honestly, pumunta ako dito sa pinakalikod ng bus para wala akong maabala ng camera ko. Kasi pag sa harap ako, tapos nakataas tong camera ko, baka maabala ko yung iba. 'Di ba? So, dito na lang tayo sa likod. Traffic din pala sa kanila. Siguro kasi rush hour. Wow! Binibilisan talaga mag-drive ng driver. Uy, ang bilis mag-drive. Feeling ko hinahabol niya yung time kasi na-traffic kami. Eh, di ba laging dapat on time yung mga ganito? So, feeling ko hinahabol niya. Ang bilis. Yay! Merry Christmas! Yay!
係啦，呢度咧可以好多唔同嘅作品。然後咧，我哋嘅車頭方向咧，我哋就可以影到頭先我哋 LED 燈係啦嗰個位置嘅，同埋咧，我哋同一時間咧亦都可以對面海係啦，見到對面港島區嘅，我哋同埋咧，我哋可以影到對面，可以喺咁嘅環境，大家覺得你可唔可以影到張風係嘛？認得認同啦，係咪啊？陣間咧，我話俾你聽，教你哋點樣影。你影呢一個嘅對面。
Hey guys, feeling ko nasa ride din ako sa Disneyland. Kasi binibilisan talaga ng bus driver minsan yung bus. Natatawa ako kasi parang roller coaster din. Lalo na pag pababa yung daan, binibilisan niya talaga. Ang ganda. Look! Ang ganda.
經過開始慢少少嘅時候咧，影維港係啦，維港斜角咁樣影過，影為 K11，你張相就會靚。唔好影到欄杆喎，攞多啲水，等佢倒影出嚟，倒影出嚟會靚好多㗎。係啦，攞闊啲，盡量影多啲。
Pag-tunnel, grabe yung hangin. Kahit nakaupo lang ako dito, napapagod ako. Oh, so patapos na yung trip. Mabilis lang pala siya. Pero masaya. Konti lang actually yung inikutan nung bus. Pero masaya siya. Kasi ang daming nakita. And then yun nga, may pa-thrill. May pa-thrill effect si kuyang bus driver. Ayan, so we're back. We're back sa ating loading area. I am back in our hotel. So, dito nagtatapos ang vlog natin today. Thank you so much. Sinamahan niyo ulit ako sa adventure natin dito sa Hong Kong. I never feel truly alone kasi kasama ko kayo. Thank you for your time and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!